Kayla Bird on the floor this year has won. This is her best event. She's coming off a career high 9.925.
When it comes to Oregon State on the floor exercise, you know names like Maddie Dagan and Caitlin Yanish, but when the coaches were talking, they said, our whole lineup's great, and Kayla Bird being one of those athletes that has really stepped up on this event. Combination pass there. She danced out of it. It was kind of hard to tell if she was a little off balance or not. Beautiful 2.5 twist. Those sometimes can be challenging to land. Very nice. You kind of see this trend where a lot of athletes are only performing